everybody, this is Amber back with another Packet Tracer video. Today we're going to take a look at switch, router, and wireless router, as well as a couple of PCs, how we add the switches to, and take a look at what switches we need to connect up a network. So here we go. We're going to take a look at first the router. You're going to see over here it's going to tell us that the router is an NM1CFE. That's the port that's connected to it. You can click on the 1CFE. It's going to tell you here that particular one is a fast Ethernet interface for use with a copper media, which is what you're wanting to look at in this instance for this particular network. So we're going to close that out. We're going to take a look here on the Linksys. It doesn't actually, you see here you'll have the interface, but it doesn't, not like the other router, which is a little more advanced. This one you can't change ports on, but you should be able to use the same type of fast Ethernet as well. And then you'll see here the PCs. These will also have the capability of using the fast Ethernet interface as well, both PCs. And then this is your switch. So we're going to add to the switch here so that we can set this network up. You want to make sure you turn off your router first. We're going to locate the 1CFE, which you'll see again is the same one fast Ethernet interface to use with copper media. So we're going to take that and we're going to add, I'll go 1, 2, 3, 4. We've got 4 connections we want to make here. So then we're going to go ahead and we're going to turn that on. And then you want to make sure, it's still rebooting here, so we'll give it a minute while it boots back up. Once that's done, you're going to want to go into the config and make sure that all of those ports are turned on. And let's see if it's working here. Yep, looks like we're all connected here, so we're going to look at each one. And you'll see here port status is on. Let's look at 1, 2, and 3. So we've got all ports on. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to close this out. We're going to click down here on our wiring. We're going to do a copper crossover here. This one's going to be what you use to connect to the there we go. While that connects up. And then we should be able to fast Ethernet here. We're going to go to the next port. Forgot to click on our wiring here. We're going to do the same thing. Fast Ethernet. We're going to connect that one up to the last one. And then we're going to go one more right here. We're going to click on that to the fast Ethernet. That'll allow us to connect back up to the Ethernet on the router. And then you'll see here all of these turning green. This one here. These will stay amber until they fully connect. And then as you can see, this one here changes over. That one makes a connection. And we've connected up the router, added the ports to the switch to be able to make this connection. And it looks like all are green. This one here, we're waiting for that one to connect. And it looks like everything's good. And as you can see, hovering over it, it'll show you the link is up for all of these. And that's how you connect the network.